What's up, guys? I hope everyone here is having a good day today. And once again, thanks for tuning into the video. And I hope you all stay the whole duration of the video, no skipping. Stay the whole duration of the video. It's going to be helpful to you guys. So today, I'm making this video about a challenge I just bought yesterday, February 3rd of 2026. Today is now February 4th. 2026. And like I said in the previous video, I'm basically creating this channel, making these videos to document my trading journey from where I'm at now, because I'm going to show you like from the beginning. I'm buying a funded account. I'm starting over from the beginning. I'm showing you guys from where I'm at now to where I'm going to be in the future with trading. So first video ever showing y'all a funded account. So I just bought yesterday, I just bought a instant stellar account from Funded Next, and it's a $2,000 account. So the rules of the account is, first, when I bought the account, I had to do the KYC verification, which is know your customer verification, where I upload documents and show them like a selfie of my face to make sure that my face matched the documents and I was the person of the account. So I did that. They verified it. And then the other step, in order to get the account to start to make money from it, get your payouts and everything, I have to make at least 5% or more of the account. So 5% of that $2,000 account is $100. So right now I'm in a trade. Currently USD JPY. I took it yesterday because I see the trade setting up and it showed me all the confirmations I was waiting on in order to take that trade. So I'll be breaking down my trade. I'll be breaking down as soon as I went in the markets, what I saw, what I waited on, and so on and so on, what trend the market was in and why I saw what I saw. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video today. And yeah, I just hope you stay tuned. Don't skip through the video. Watch the whole video, please. Watch the whole video. Okay, so now we in the video now. As y'all can see, hopefully y'all can see the screen. But now I'm gonna show you guys how I broke down this trade, how I got in the trade, why I took this trade, and why this trade is going to win, and why I put my TP, where I put my TP at, and why I put my take profit, where I put my take profit at. So yeah, let me see now. Alright, so we go to USD JPY. And it was simple though. This wasn't really a hard trade though. I ain't even gonna lie. Because as soon as I went in the market, this was the first thing I actually saw. Like, I went through every last one of them, as y'all can see. I have all my I have everything labeled right, just so basically only trades. I have what is this Aussie USD, which is gold, silver. We have oil USD, we have Bitcoin, NAS 100, USD JPY, we have USD CAD, we have GBP USD, we have Euro USD. So these are the things I like to trade. They volatile as hell in the markets. Movement is always going to be there. So these are the things I love to trade. So let's get right into the trade. I can make this screen bigger, full screen so you guys can see. So basically, as you can see, I went in the market. We inside the 1 hour time frame right now, but I'm gonna change it to like the 4 hour. I don't know why this doing this, but hey, LG, we can go to 4 hour. We can go to the 4 hour, which is 466. That's 12, and that's 240. So we can go to the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, we in the 4-hour time frame now. So when I went in the 4-hour time frame, what I saw. So basically, as you can see, I went in the 4-hour time frame. I saw this right here. Well, this was from the previous thing, so we ain't watching all the way back there. We're just looking at right here, right now. So when I went in the 4 hours, I saw that price was up here. This was from the previous week, and price came all the way down here. So it basically was a gap down, and now it filled that gap, and then price went up. So price looked like it was in a downtrend. Start the ending part of Friday, price dropped all the way down here. Right, came back on Tuesday, because that's when I came in the market, on a Tuesday. You see what I'm saying? I came in the market on basically, yeah, I did came in the market on a Tuesday, which was yesterday, the 3rd of February 2026, like I said in my previous video. Like I said. So as you can see here, I know I made this a little bit too big, but I came in the market and I saw this going on here. Price came all the way down here. It supported off of this, right? Price came down here, supported off this, tried to go back higher, but it failed to do so, and it dropped, broke the structure and dropped all the way down here. And then what I basically saw is that price supported on this area here as well. And it didn't just do it just that one time thing. It did it like multiple, it did it multiple times. So by me seeing that price came from up here, right, it's in a downtrend, came from down here, dropped on a Friday, came all the way down here, tried to go higher but it failed. I actually retested here, went down lower, broke this support level, because this is support. It broke the support level, came down, supported off of this, tried to go lower, but it failed to do so. So this right here, at this level we have sellers, right? And at this level we have buyers now. The sellers is not in control anymore, because the buyers didn't let price break this support level. So now, as you can see, price went up. We had this strong engulfing candle here, because this is where the selling pressure, the buying pressure kicked in. And then we had price coming all the way back down here. They tried to bring it down. As you can see, it failed. They started to push up. So this is where the reversal happened, in the same area right here. Let me see if I can mark that up. Let's see. I don't have a circle. I don't have any circles, so we can come on exit over here. I'm gonna go here where the drawing's at. See, I don't be using all these things, so yeah, I just use what you see at the bottom of the screen. So at this same level here, right down here, this where all this where all the buying pressure came in for the reversal. This where all the buyers kicked in at this level here. So if we go inside the 15 minute, because the 15 minutes where I personally go to look for my entry point. So as we can see, price came in here, came all the way down here. This was the reversal. As you can see, it was a lot of sellers and buyers fighting to push price up and down. The buyers finally win. As we can see, if we go back in the 4 hours time frame, I just wanted to show you all that. As we can see, as we go back in the 4 hour time frame, come all the way here, then we get price came here, made a support at this level here. Price supported mid-range in the air. So this was even a sign, because this could have possibly been already, yeah, price came up here, came down, and then come back down here. Could have just been a retest and then come back. So it could have been indication, correction, and then price could continue down. So as we can see, we saw the reversal here, and then just saying, we duplicate that, and then we came here, price supported mid-range in the air, and from here price came back up here, broke this now resistance, broke this now resistance, yeah, because as you can see, sellers was here as well, but buyers were stronger at this level. Buyers kicked in way stronger, than it broke past this. So now from here, sellers is no more sellers is here. So now price kicked in, came all the way back up here, broke this previous resistance line, and carried over a little bit more, broke this previous resistance line, came up here, went all the way up here, made a new resistance, retested from this resistance. That's now support. It's now support. So now from here, price came up, went all the way down here, went all the way up here, right? Buyers kicked in, went all the way up here, and then from I saw that, carried us over a little bit more. Then I see how price started going up, and like I said, when I came in the market, it was probably about right here. It was probably here, like right around the same area right here when I came in the market, and I went inside the 1 hour time frame to see like more deeper in the price than just seeing like how I saw just now in the 4 hour. So I went in the 1 hour time frame. Price was about here, and then I had like what did I put here? I think I had what was it? I had an alert. Why did I forget that? I had an alert right here. Put it here, so I think it was here, just in case if price was to come above this. When price came above this level, then I would buy, because like I say, price was inside the downtrend. I saw that the break structure, but you know, sometimes it might do that and then come back down. So I saw that it broke structure. It was as simple as that. If price broke above this same level here in the 1 hour time frame, if price broke above that, I would have get in my trade. And what you see here, I get inside my trade. And I will show another video that I took on my phone. It was a screen recording I took on my phone, where I showed you like when I took the trade, when I set my TP and my take profit. I have all that in the phone. I'll also put that in this video. But I wait for price to come above this, so price could break above this part, because this was the highest point from this last high over here, from this previous high. This was the highest point, because this is a new week now. So this was the highest point, and if price break above this, that's what I waited on. And when I saw that, my alert went off. Price broke above it, and I got in my trade. And now, as you can see, I'm winning my trade. I didn't have no drawdowns. I didn't have anything, because I waited patiently for what I saw, and it happened. And now, the reason I chose my TP to be up here, the reason I chose my TP to be this high is because right here, as you can see, it probably could have been all the way up here, but for me personally, I wanted to target this, because at this level is what started this whole downtrend. This level, it could have been this, but to me, it was this level that really started all of this move. So just because this showed me indication that this was a previous high from this, from now what we seeing now, this was the last high. So that's why I'm targeting this. So say if this was to happen right here, this one I'll be looking at right now, this high, right? If it was this we was trying to target to come back from here, to come back up here, then I probably would have targeted this, because this was a previous high from this high. This was a previous high from this. But since this is a previous high from this over here, this the next high we targeting before price, maybe it might, because it might break past this and keep going up. But since price came this high, tried to go higher, but it failed, and then it just fell all the way down. That's why I targeted this, because this should be the next level of resistance where sellers might be at. So that's why I'm targeting this high, because sellers might be here. But if they're not there, so be it. I'll probably get in the trade, wait for a pullback, and let the price continue to go higher. But if not, then we probably might catch a downfall. But right now, like I said, I took this trade because I saw that it broke structure all the way down here. This was confirmation of a reversal. Price also showed that it broke up here, broke above this previous resistance, came here, supported us on this, came above this, supported on this, came above this previous resistance, supported on this. But I didn't see all that because I wasn't in the markets. I decided to take my trade when I bought the account, because I had to, like, let me see, I have 2 weeks in order to pass my challenge. And like I said, I need 5% of the actual account in order to start to use the $2,000 to bring in profits. So I came in the market, and this probably was a trade that's just for me, because as soon as I came in this market, that's the first thing I saw, and I just was, oh wow, easy. Got in the trade, and now as you can see, we in the trade. And this right here, as you can see, this alert, I put this alert here today just to see if price was gonna turn around on me and come back down, but it didn't. It was just a retest, because price is about here. Let me see, price is about right here. As you can see where I have the line at, price was there when I looked at the market. So I was saying, all right, if price was to come back below this, or at least at this level, I possibly would have gotten out of that trade and just closed it and wait for price to turn around. Probably might have, because I still battling myself, and I can be honest with myself. That's the only reason I could become great, because I am honest with myself to know that, all right, you got to learn how to hold your trades a little bit more, let your trades play out. So boom, that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, price came from here, price going all the way up. It broke above this previous high, price is breaking above it, and we will reach these levels here. I promise you, you will see that I reach these levels. And this here, I moved it actually on the phone, but it didn't say it. But I moved it on the phone to target this here. If price come here, it'll alert me that price is here. So that's when I'll be looking again at this charts again. But I just wanted to show you guys why I took this trade and why I didn't take this trade. And sorry that I went so ahead that I didn't even show you guys why I put my stop loss where I put my stop loss at. So the reason for me putting my stop loss here was because, say for instance, right, I went in the 15 minutes. Like I said, I waited for price to break above this, right? Waited for price to break above this line. Got in the trade at the same specific time right here. As you can see, I got in the trade here, right? So if I was to just get in the trade, even though I know price is going up, but price tend to do this. It would go like this. Let me show you. Price will go like this. Like, say like we get in the trade, your price will be here, come all the way up here, right? Come mark down, hit you out, just to say, hit out every buyer in the market. They'll liquidate you out the market and then turn around and go in your direction. Price usually does things like that. So for me to avoid that from happening, I choose to put my stop loss below this previous low from this high. This previous low from this high, I choose to put my stop loss here, so that'll really save me. So if price was to come all the way down here, this was a good trade, but I can't stop the market from doing what the market does, you know? So yeah, moving on. That's why I took this trade. It's just, this is a simple trade. I ain't even gonna lie. Literally, as soon as I went in the market, this was the first thing I saw. And it was just so simple, like it's like, damn, this trade was just meant for me, you know? So that's why I took this trade. And yeah, thanks for you guys tuning in once again. This is another successful video. I like that the video came out. And like I told y'all, I'll be showing y'all my journey along the way, showing y'all how I do this, why I love to do it, why it's easy to me, and hopefully I did explain it in a simple way, because I'm gonna watch this video over and I'm gonna learn from this video, and as I keep on creating these videos, I can keep on getting better at explaining myself to y'all, because I say I'm new to this, but I'm true to this at the same time, you know? But yeah, thanks for tuning into the video. I really ask you guys to like, subscribe, and comment any type of ideas you have, or anything you see I should improve on, or anything I should improve on, like trading wise, video wise, because like I said, I'm new to this. Y'all guys being here, tuning into this, y'all are part of the family. Even if y'all just want to congratulate me, you could do that in the comment section. Or if you want to congratulate me, send a like button. Don't tap the dislike button, because I don't see anything to dislike about the damn video. So tap the like button, give me a subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, because it will be some more videos like this. And currently, like I said, I'm still on Coco Key, and you know, I trying to really, yeah, do this. So just tune into the video, y'all, and stay tuned. because it's gonna be fun. It just won't be just showing you all trading setups and doing all these things. It's gonna be very exciting. I promise you, it's going to be exciting, and it's gonna be a lot of things y'all gonna learn. Y'all gonna learn a lot from me, because I'm gonna learn a lot from myself as well whilst I'm recording this, because by me recording this video for y'all, it basically forcing me to do better. It basically forcing me to take my time. It basically forcing me to make sure all my trades are winning trades. Like, I only taking A+ setup. So by me doing this, it helping me in the same way whilst I'm helping y'all guys. So all of us are gonna grow together. But like I say once again, thanks for tuning into the video. Like, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and comment anything y'all choose to do. The comment section will be open. Even if y'all want to do fucking hatred, tantrums, whatever y'all people usually do, you know, do whatever. The comment section is yours to have. So thanks once again.